In today's video, I want to go over a store procedure utility that I created for Oracle to compile invalid objects. So the problem is basically whenever you make schema changes in Oracle, it will invalidate dependent objects on whatever object that you add a column to, remove a column, modify a column. And so those invalid objects will actually cause failures when you try to interact with them. And it's very tedious to compile all the various object types. You can go into SQL Developer and right click on all of the object types, views, triggers, functions, stored procedures, and packages, and just right click and say recompile invalid. But this procedure just cycles through all those various object types and recompiles them for you. I'm going to jump over to the code here. This is in GitHub. And so I've got this GitHub SQL answers folder, and I will share the URL for this in the description of the video so you guys can jump over to it and pull the code out if you'd like it. So what it's doing is it's going and querying user objects. So this will operate in the context of the user that you are currently connected as. And so this procedure lives in that schema, and it's going to grab in all of the objects that are invalid. They have a status of invalid. And in this case, I'm not pulling out the materialized views. I didn't want the materialized views. And I'm ordering here. And the reason why I'm doing this order, so I'm concocting my own order, and I'm saying, okay, view has a sort order of 1, trigger 2, function 3, procedure 4, package 6, and package body 7. So I skipped 5, no big deal. It's just ordering by ascending. So that's your compile order. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because there's typically dependencies between objects. And this is the hierarchy with the least amount of problems I could see. So what I want to do is I want to compile my views first, because they don't typically have dependencies on any of the other object types. And then trigger, then function, then procedure, then package, and package body. It's not perfect. It's not always the case, but in most cases, this will take care of everything, and you would only need to run the procedure once. If you happen to have things that were in different hierarchy in terms of dependencies, you might need to run it more than once. And so after it gets all those object types out and they're ordered, it's going to generate compile commands for the various object types. So that's all it's doing, is it's saying alter and then whatever the object type is. And in here, it's replacing package body with package, because you don't compile package bodies, you compile packages. And so it'll just do that replace for you. And then just as a compile. And then after that, it does an execute immediate. And if you want to you look at the DBMS output for the generated SQL, you could have a DBMS output window and look at the SQL. And that's what it does, just cycles through and allows you to compile all the objects in one command. And so, like I said, I'm going to have a link for this in the description of the video for you guys to have available. So for today's video, I hope you guys got something out of it. If you like videos like this where I share code, hey, let me know. As I said, you'll have the URL in the description of the video so you can get access to the GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, you got something out of it, hey, like the video, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, of course, drop them in the comments and I'll try and make a video for you. Thanks. Bye.